Hey everybody, it's Nicole again, and I am going to be postponing self-care Sunday. I'll probably try to do it tomorrow because I want to be able to do the tutorial for the worry worm for you. And I've been trying to do it, and I've been getting really frustrated at trying to do it so that it is understandable for you so that you'll be able to make it. And my hands have been really bothering me. The humidity has been kind of weird, and it's been really hot. And my husband is not feeling well. He left for work this morning, and so he's actually coming home. And so I want to be able to to be able to give him my full attention as far as helping him, because he has chronic pain as well, to help him feel better. So I am going to do the tutorial. I will do self-care Sunday, but it will be on Monday. So it'll just be postponed. And then on Tuesday will be the drawing of my no, I'm sorry. Tuesday is my birthday. So if you haven't entered into my giveaway, you still have one more day to enter into that particular giveaway. You have to watch that particular video, the self-care Sunday on a Wednesday video from beginning to end. And you have to, because you have to get that particular keyword in order to enter into the comments. And then I will do my best on Wednesday to draw the winner and then send out the prize. The prize is going to be, depending on how things go as far as securing of the resin tray, you will be getting a resin tray made by me along with a furls hook. And then later on that week, next week, I will also be doing a live. Most likely, just because I haven't heard from anybody wanting to do a live with me, I will do a short live by myself, and just kind of chit chat with you, maybe just for a little bit. If there are any other, YouTubers out there who would like to join me, you're more than welcome to. But I just wanted to try to see how the live thing works. I think I'm going to do it through StreamYard since it seems like that's what everybody uses. It seems like it's fairly simple to use. So yeah, so that's the plan right now. So I just wanted to let you know that I didn't like just often disappear. It's just I've been like very up and down. My therapist is on strike right now, along with psychologists and social workers that work in that department. So things have been kind of very unstable for me. And then I got a text from my husband saying that he is not feeling well. So like I said, I want to concentrate my attention on him. And then on Monday, I will do the tutorial for the worry worm for you. I will sit down because I will have the ability to have more time to do that since my youngest will be at school as well. So it'll give me more time to figure that out because I've never done a tutorial on camera before, so you'll have to forgive me. So I apologize for that. But don't forget, it's okay, to still continue to do self-care. Take the day for yourself today. Today is the first day of the NFL season, if that's what you're into. I know that yesterday was also college football. watch college football or whatever it is that you're into right now. I just started watching the House of Dragons, so I think the fourth episode is airing today, so I'm probably going to try and watch that while my husband is watching football. So yeah, so that's where we're at right now. So I just wanted to let you know what my plan is over the next couple of days. I also ordered some things that will be coming hopefully soon, and then when I get them, I will be unboxing them with you so that you can see. And I'm still getting orders on my Etsy shop, so if you're still interested, I still have, I think, 2 more boxes left. Please go ahead and order. I happily pack them up for you and send them out. I have 1 box that is still pending that I just got the other day, so I'm going to pack that up probably on Monday and ship that out. And then on my live, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on there. And then, like I said, don't forget to do my giveaway for that I'm doing for my birthday. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything for today. I just wanted to let you know what was going on. I'm not just like disappearing. Oh, and the other thing is we hit over 100. I am so happy. So I will also be doing a giveaway for that as well. So please pay attention to my channel. I believe the last time I checked, I'm at 111. So I will be doing a giveaway on my live. I will be doing a milestone giveaway for 100 subscribers, and then I have a giveaway on my self-care Sunday on a Wednesday. So that's 3, count them, 3 giveaways that are either in progress or upcoming. So please make sure that you are either subscribed or are going to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, hit the like button, and so that you can participate in those giveaways. Because yeah, I've got a lot of wonderful things planned, and for each milestone. So when I hit 200, there's going to be another giveaway. When I hit 300, there's going to be another giveaway. We're going to continue that until I hit 1,000. I want to celebrate all of those milestones, and the ultimate goal is to hit 1,000 and to get monetized. After that, it's gravy. I don't plan on pushing for any further than that. And then, I mean, I am so grateful to each and every single one of you who have brought me to this point. And to those of you who are also content creators who have invited me on your lives, who have helped me get me to the 111, I am so thankful to you so much. It means so much to me. So pay attention. Within the next couple of days, maybe a week or so, there will be at least 2 more giveaways, okay? So definitely 1 giveaway this coming Sunday. So that's next week Sunday, that's the 18th. And then a giveaway for my 100 subscriber milestone. So subscribe, notification button, hit that like button. So mahalo from me to you, and don't forget, it's okay to not be okay. I love you all, and until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye bye.